In this video you'll discover exactly how to find the cheapest auto insurance in PA. But first, here's our little trick to get you cheap car insurance. We use this free service. At 1-855-981-7528. Once you call them, they'll perform the tedious task of shopping around and provide you with the best quote for your location. Now, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: finding the cheapest auto insurance in PA. If you're a Pennsylvania resident looking to save some serious cash on your car insurance, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing some top tips and tricks to help you snag the best deals without compromising on coverage. So, let's get started. Part 1: Importance of shopping around. Before we get into the nitty-gritty details, remember this golden rule: always shop around. Different insurance companies offer different rates, and getting quotes from multiple providers is key to finding that budget-friendly coverage. Part 2: Factors that affect your premiums. Now, let's talk about the factors that affect your insurance premiums. These include your driving record, the make and model of your car, your age, and even your credit score. While some of these factors you can't change, others, like maintaining a clean driving record, can work in your favor. Part 3: Choosing the right coverage. When hunting for the cheapest auto insurance, it's tempting to opt for the bare minimum coverage. But remember, the cheapest option isn't always the best. You'll want to strike a balance between affordability and sufficient coverage. Liability coverage is mandatory in PA, but consider options like collision and comprehensive coverage to protect yourself from unexpected expenses. Part 4: Discounts galore. Now, here's the exciting part: discounts. Many insurance companies offer a range of discounts that can significantly lower your premiums. These could include safe driver discounts, good student discounts, multi-car discounts, and even discounts for bundling your home and auto insurance. Part 5: Online comparison tools. Thanks to the wonders of the internet, finding the cheapest auto insurance in PA has never been easier. Online comparison tools allow you to quickly compare quotes from multiple insurers. Just enter your information, and within minutes, you'll have a list of options to choose from. Part 6: Local and regional insurers. Don't forget about local and regional insurance companies. They might offer competitive rates and personalized service that larger national companies can't match. So, be sure to explore these options in your quest for the best deal. Part 7: Maintain a good driving record. One of the simplest ways to keep your insurance costs down is by maintaining a clean driving record. Avoid speeding tickets and accidents, and you'll likely qualify for lower premiums over time. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks, your ultimate guide to finding the cheapest auto insurance in PA. You remember, it's all about striking that perfect balance between affordability and coverage. So, go ahead, put these tips into action, and start saving those hard-earned dollars. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.